Hey guys, how you guys doing? Today we're gonna have another video on CapCut, all right? How to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I know most of you guys are like, how do I make it? What do I do? Should I take a picture of myself pointing to something? Well, here I'll go ahead and let you know exactly what you can do and which way you can go ahead and set it up, all right? So, first of all, guys, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, all right? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, and then I'll give you much more information because I'll be making many more videos about how to edit videos, how to edit pictures, create thumbnails, this and that, all right? So, with no further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to the video, guys. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and put the screen. Let's go ahead and drop it down. Here you go. Boom. And let's go ahead and open up what we'll be using today. All right. We will be using CapCut. All right. So, first things first, you got to take a picture of or a screenshot, which is normally what I do. I do screenshots of me in this program here. You guys see me over here. I will take a picture just going like this, pointing at something, or like this, and then I'll kick it into a picture. All right, a screenshot of that, and then I'll show you exactly what I mean in this next step here. All right, so this is what we're going to go ahead and do, guys. We're opening the editor, the graphic editor of CapCut. All right. And what you guys want to do is the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and go to social media. All right. Because this is what we're doing in social media, right? You got Instagram. For an Instagram post, you can go ahead and create it. You can go ahead and create a Facebook post as well, a YouTube post, TikTok. Um, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Twitch, and they got everything here. So what we're doing is a YouTube thumbnail. All right. So this is what we're gonna do here. All right. We've already went ahead and selected it. All right. And then what we'll do is you click here on the image, the white image with surrounding blue line around it, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put add image. All right. Once we go ahead and add image, you can do that, or you can go to upload here on the left hand side. Okay. Then we'll do upload. You can upload from this device, meaning your computer, Google Drive, or Dropbox. For any of those that, if any of you guys that use Dropbox or Google Drive, you can actually use it for your videos. Okay, to go ahead and get the pictures from there. So I know some people save all their stuff on Google Drive, so that way you don't have that much space taken on your computer. All right, which is something that maybe I might make a video of that. All right, so let's go ahead and do from this device because I have it on this device. All right, and I'm already on it. I have my stuff set up as you see: desktop, YouTube work, and then final thumbnails. All right. But in this case, what we're going to do is images from work. Wait, hold on. It's not here. It should be, no, it should be here. Final thumbnails, intro video, edit, pick. I think it's this one. Let's go ahead and see. Yeah, this is it. All right. So how do I create this? Most of you guys are probably asking yourselves, dude, Caesar, how do you do that though? I mean, it's not hard. Remember, you guys see me down here, right? So I just do this. I go ahead and I point up or like this, and then I'll take a print screen. That's what I do. That's all I do. And then as you see here, it's a print screen. And then what I'll do is we can go here and we can download images. Here are some of the images that I went ahead and I downloaded. All right. So this one is going to be for creating an intro. Okay, guys? So what are we going to do? We're creating the intro. We created the intro with what program? CapCut. All right, you guys know I work that way. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and find YouTube work and my images from work. Here we go. CapCut emblem, and then it'll upload your images over here on the left hand side. All right, right here on this area, and then you just drag them. All right. You don't need any filters because in reality we don't need any filters for this because what we'll do is we'll just resize it and then I guess we could put it right here, right? Okay, and then what we'll do here is let's go ahead and put some text. These are the ones that I've used before. I kind of like don't like to use the same one, but sometimes it's worth using the same one depending on what it's all about. But let's go ahead and find something different here. If we could find something. Yellow doesn't seem like it. Let's see. Let's try this. I know it seems kind of out of the whole thing, but let's see if it might work. And then we'll click 3 times. Ah, let's just erase it. All right, so then what we'll do is we'll put um making an intro video. Making an intro video. All right, so it's not bad. And then what we'll do is so that way, people will know that it has to do with YouTube. We'll go to uploads, right? We'll go to uploads and then we'll find from this device. And I do have already YouTube image, right? Which I actually I got it from here. All right, you guys can look for it. All the stuff you could use. The images that you find here are all usable. Okay, there's actually some cool ones. You can also use some PNGs, and then that way it'll blend into all that. But whatever. Right now we're not doing that. We're actually I'll probably make a video on all that type of stuff. It's actually pretty cool stuff, but we're just going for basics right now. Um, Basics and within what we're doing. All right, because it's not. I don't want to say it's really basic, but it's not hard, you know. Some people say, "Oh, how does this guy do that?" But everything's doable, guys. Don't let anybody tell you it isn't. So, all right, so here we go. Making an intro video in CapCut for YouTube. So that's kind of the whole idea why I'm putting both of them on there. Okay. All right, so I think we're all set. All right. This is all set up. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and download it. And this is on Final Thumbnails. This is another one that I did for another video. All right, so we'll do Final Cut for making intro videos thumbnail. All right, so boom, there we go. We saved it there. And now we'll go to YouTube. All right. And then this was something that I was actually doing. I need to erase this. This is a video that we're going to be doing. This is the quick thumbnails, and that's what we're doing now in this video. All right. I was using this as an example before. Okay. So we need to go ahead and put it to what is the thumbnail we'll be using now. Here it is. This is the one, making an intro video. Okay. So what's going to be the title? Creating an intro video with CapCut. Okay. What we can do here, okay, we can go to ChatGPT and we can tell ChatGPT, phrase this for a YouTube video title. We'll do this, we'll do this, and then we'll do this. All right, so seems very simple. So that's what it threw out for us. Now, guys, don't say, "Oh, that doesn't work." It works. Trust me. Now check this out. We're gonna do a description. Let's see what comes out here. Create a YouTube video description for us about how to create an intro video using CapCut. Boom. Here it goes. Now check it out. It says, sure, here's a YouTube video description for how to create. It knew exactly what we were telling it. All right, so let me make this a little bit further here. All right, so welcome to our tutorial on how to create an eye-catching intro video using CapCut. In this step-to-step guide, we'll show you how to use this powerful video editing tool to make a professional intro for your YouTube videos. Creating an intro is a great way to grab your audience's attention. So it'll do all that for you. Now you see how powerful it is. Most of people don't use it because they don't know how to use it or what to do. So I'm showing you guys what's up with this. So all right, don't forget, look at what it puts in the bottom. Don't forget to like or comment and subscribe for more tutorials. I mean, it's perfect. It's perfect to what. Sometimes you don't have the words to go ahead and put in, but you don't need it, you know? They'll go ahead and do it for you. So here it is. The video is uploaded. All right. So select playlist. I have different playlists and learn how with Caesar P Vlog. So this one goes for here. Okay. And then here, yes, it's made for kids. Let's see here. My video contains paid promotion. No. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say or do something that they didn't say or no. Okay, so, and then the automatic chapters and key moments, automatic concepts, allow automatic concepts. All right, so here is the tags. Okay, here in tags, what is the video about? Okay, video editing is one. Um, edit videos, making a thumbnail. All right, so we can use those three, and I think that'll be just fine. All right, so this is a program that I use. Okay, that'll actually give you recommended tags and all that, which in it's kind of trying to recommend some tags here, but let's just go ahead and leave the video language is in English. All right, and recording date, I really don't put any of that. Um, Shorts, remix, allow videos and audio remixing. I do that because sometimes you can actually do that. Um, all right, so you can even put more information, like if it's an educational video, like what we're doing now. I'm educating you guys how to do something. You can put what type and all that, but I try to keep it, as simple as I can to not, have to put so much information. So I think we're done now. So let's go ahead and go to next. Right? We can add subtitles, but it, I'm not trying to do this for this video. Okay. All right. So it actually doesn't affect. All right. So
Hey guys, how you
this
doing
is the
today? So
actual video
today we're gonna make
on
a
how to make an
video
intro.
about
All right.
actually making your initial signature video.
All right. So which is the video that you guys will see in this video as well. So, all right. So we'll return to upload. Okay. Then from here, we'll go to next. And then we'll put it as public and set as instant premiere. Okay. So I'm actually uploading a video with you guys live right now. You guys are seeing me upload a video on camera. All right, guys. So here it is. It's ready. Go ahead and starting up. And thanks for joining me, guys. All right, guys. So that was how to create a thumbnail. All right, which I will also go ahead and upload this and you guys will be able to go ahead and see it. So hopefully you guys liked it and you guys will go ahead and join me for more videos. Okay, guys? So, like I said before, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that way I can bring you guys way more videos and going ahead and hope you guys like it, man. All right, you guys have a good day. I'll see you in my next video.